What are we doing, Grace?
I'm putting a picture up because it is so much fun.
Really?
I love resizing pictures.
You do?
It's just one of my passions. I do it so well, and like
You're all about passion, also.
I'm really passionate.
What are you passionate about? That coat you got today?
My coat. Let's just call it a back-to-school coat. I don't know.
Wow, wow.
I know, isn't it cute?
Ooh, look at that chair. Ooh.
Oh. That you're telling me, but whatever. Good one. Too bad it. And
I think we need some water.
Okay.
Alrighty then. Let's see. Ooh. Boom, bada boom, bada bum 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 bada bum, bada bum 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 bow. Bum bada bum, bada bum 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 bada bum, bada bum bum.
Copy my idea. What party?
No.
Party, and since you're not
What?
coming, I can't tell you the rest because you're dumb.
Do I just like drop it in, or?
No, you should leave it and it'll go in its.
Maybe you should stick it in the freezer and have it freeze. Let's think about that, Taylor Pearson Peacock.
This is going on my face. Somebody said that.
Is it, can they, like, not hear me now?
It's like all like, some people like, it's like.